Hello YouTube, this is Josh
And Chris.
and we are the Pantek brothers. Welcome. We are back after a long break, but we are here and we're very excited today to show you guys our unboxing, our super unboxing of all of our parts back here of our new computer that we're going to be building. Today will be kind of an introduction on what the parts are, the specs, and rundown of those, and then we'll be doing unboxings for each of those parts and going over each of those. So we'll go ahead and get started. All right, everybody. The first part that we're going to be going over and looking at is the CPU. I decided to go with the Intel Core i5-7600K, the new Kaby Lake processor. This is a quad-core 3.5 gigahertz, I believe. 3.8 gigahertz, 6 meg cache. Obviously, this is on the LGA 1151 CPU socket. So we'll go ahead and get this unboxed. You may notice the boxes for these are a good bit smaller than the traditional CPUs in the past. I don't know if it's Kaby Lake specifically, but with the K series processors, they decided to nix the CPU cores, which I think Intel probably was smart to do, saved a little bit of money, because those people who are getting the K series to do overclocking, the unlocked overclocking ability, they're going to be using a custom either air or all-in-one water cooler or custom water cooling solution. They're not going to be using the stock CPU cooler. So there's a CPU. That's literally their little instruction warranty manual. The CPU itself, and that is it. That is
Nothing fancy.
nope, pretty much bare bones. But this is what you paid all that money for anyway, and that's really all you care about. I got this off of eBay, actually, brand new in the box, for $215 shipped. So that was a little bit cheaper than the normal retail price of $240. That's what they're going for on Newegg, Amazon. I was actually in Atlanta, which has a Micro Center location there, which we don't have here in Florida, and they were running a special for $209, but it was in-store pickup only, and Georgia state tax, obviously on top of that $209, ended up being about the same price, more or less. And at the time, I didn't have transportation where I was at a conference, so I would have had to take an Uber or taxi. And by the time I added those costs in, it was kind of a wash, and this ended up being cheaper. So there you have it. That's the unboxing for the Intel Core i5-7600K. And we will be moving on to the motherboard in our next video.